Today, we're sharing 3 top secret tree felling methods I guarantee you've never heard of, even if you've seen every tree felling video on the internet. The smart people, the dumb people, the amateurs, the pros, the do's and don'ts, I guarantee you haven't seen these 3 methods. The thing is, they don't work for every tree and they don't work for everybody, but you're gonna want them in your playbook because when you need them, you need them. We'll list everything you need for each method and go over each one step by step. We'll also talk about common mistakes that might lead to embarrassment or the revocation of your man card. What you need for this method: chainsaw, chaps, eye protection, ear protection, wedges, and an So the way this method of tree felling works is you basically want to get a tree
and a chainsaw, and then you want to pretty much just cut the tree down because nobody's even paying attention to anything that I'm saying right now because Alyssa's in the background doing yoga.
And that's it. Some common mistakes are a hot but uncooperative wife, a hot but distracted wife. All right, I'm gonna cut the tree down really quick. Watch, okay?
Okay.
Wow, that went really good. Did you see that?
Oh, you did it already?
Yeah.
Oh my God, I totally missed it.
What?
Did you see that guy? He just fell a tree. It was so huge.
Another guy fell a tree?
Yeah, it was so big.
What? But our wives are basically perfect, so these things are like never gonna happen. What you need for this method: a chainsaw. Well, not just any chainsaw. You don't want a really small chainsaw because people might kind of question your manhood. You really don't want a big chainsaw either because, well, people might think you're compensating, if you know what I mean. You really want just the right size chainsaw, you know, where people take you seriously, but they don't wonder what you're hiding. Chaps. Yep, the chaps that your mom sent you for Christmas, those will work just fine. A few wedges, an axe, and a flannel shirt. So this method is super simple. Basically, you take your medium saw, your flannel shirt, and the chaps that your mom gave you, and you start making cuts in the tree. And if things start to look serious or you get scared at all, you just run away really fast.
Hello?
Hey, Mom, how you doing?
Hi, Pumpkin. I'm good. How are you?
Oh, good. Hey, listen, I'm down here and I'm cutting down some really big trees. You'd be really proud of me, but see, you taught me like if I get scared to ask for help, right?
I did, Pumpkin. You should never be afraid to ask for help.
I know. So hey, I'm taking your advice, and listen, I was cutting down this huge tree and I got scared. So I thought I'd just call for help.
Hey, honey, listen, I'm like 12 hours away. I really wish I could help you, but you might try calling your sister.
Hey, little sis. How's it going?
Hey, Mom called me and said you're cutting some trees down, and wanted me to come save your butt before you kill somebody.
Hey, where the heck are you going with all my saws? What the heck is this garbage? What? Yeah, this method has a lot of pitfalls. I mean, you're not gonna wanna use it very often because the results are super unpredictable. This method is for people who are sick and tired of the status quo. One cut, one tree. It's safe, it's predictable. Those two words offend your sense of adventure. Maybe you're ambitious and you expect more from your tree felling. Maybe you're trying to one-up your bro or trying to impress your great-great-great-great-great-grandpa. What you need for this method. You're gonna need a saw that won't let you down. You'll want to scour the woods for a scenario that will blow people's minds. Like this one. There's actually two trees right here that need to be cut down, and any self-respecting person would just make two cuts and there'd be two trees in the bag. But not you. You're like Neo from the Matrix. You see two trees and one cut. If you can pull this off, you're gonna have bragging rights at the family camping trips for years to come. You're gonna want to use some solid math and check the wind. Make sure that saw of yours is razor sharp and use your very best wedges. This trophy has your name all over it. Yeah! Number one! Yeah! Go us! You guys totally just got landed on by two trees at the same time. Holy cow. And the camera's in one piece. The tripod looks like it's still working. All right. Unfortunately, these methods are now out in the wild. So if you want to be one of the first to try these things out, you better hop to it. Not good. Not good.
There, up, stuck again. There she goes. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo.
I am not proud of that. I am not proud of that in the slightest. That's not fun. All right, so we win. That was ridiculously stupid. That was very dumb. Do not try this at home, but we got it. Wow. Well, I guess if you guys are gonna be trophy hunters, it comes with risk. Better be willing to put your life on the line.